Hi there, this is Jeff Klump coming to you from Creve Coeur, Missouri, USA. I hope you're doing well. If you've received an email or a text from me, I just wanted to follow up with you on that and to see if you had any questions. There's some links below, and if you'd like to join, go ahead and just click on the links. If you need some more information, there's also a link there provided for you. And this is a terrific business opportunity that anyone can afford. It's just $10 a month plus a one-time $40 enrollment fee. Live Good is less than 2 years old, and it is growing by leaps and bounds. They're coming out with new products every month, and I use their products for the last. I've been using their products for the last few months, and they are terrific. So, if you have any questions, just let me know. But try to get started as soon as you can. Take care now.